Hey everybody, it's Norm from Tested.com, and here at CES 2016, we've seen a lot of drones, a lot of quadcopters, even hexacopters, but a lot of those are just RC devices that don't fly by themselves. This, the Hexo, flies by itself. It's truly autonomous, and this is the CEO, Antoine. How are you doing, Antoine?
Very nice. Good evening.
Yeah, good to meet you. So tell me a little about the Hexo and the idea behind it and how it works. This is a hexacopter, has 6 props, and it's something meant to fly only by itself?
Yeah, exactly. So the only thing you need to have is a smartphone, iOS or Android. Take a smartphone, you have a library of camera movement, select the camera movement you want, select where you want the drone to be compared to you, and start shooting. Then magic happens. Drone takes off and follows and frames you, and you get perfect IR video shots.
That seems pretty simple. So it uses, based on what I understand, the GPS on your phone to locate you based on accuracy of several meters, for example, right? Yeah. So if you're walking down a beach, for example, and you want the hex to be behind you on the left, can you set how high up in the air it is, or how is it determined?
You can basically set everything you want, the type of camera movement, so it's not only following you, but it's like 360 around me, it's like staying over, or traveling on the side, or traveling towards me. You can set the where, in front of you, or on the side, on the back, how far and how high around you. And then at any time you can pause it and change the camera movement, so you can really act as a director and actor of your own movie.
Does it have sensors on board itself for its own telemetry, for example, for the altitude?
Yeah, it has GPS sensors, inertial units, a barometer, so it knows exactly where it is, it knows where your phone is, and then communicates via Bluetooth, so to make sure that the drone can follow you and frames you.
What are the limits of it? Could you be driving in a car, for example, and how fast could you be driving while this catches up?
So it has been designed for action sports, so 6 propellers for more stability and higher speed, so it can fly up to 45 miles per hour. So you can actually drive a car up to 45 miles per hour, and this thing will follow you and frames you into your car. Then it's very easy to remove legs, propellers, gimbals, so you can put it into your backpack. Easy to carry, easy to build, and then easy to use.
And then using what type of LiPo battery?
We're using LiPo batteries, so you have 15 minutes flight per batteries, and we have a system where it's very easy, to swap the batteries. So you take the batteries out, take a new one after 15 minutes and go for a new ride.
So you guys are making and selling the batteries yourself as well?
Yeah, so we're using a supplier for the battery, but we have designed our own battery pack to make sure that it's easy to use.
Now what about the camera system? There's a gimbal that come with it, and is it made for GoPros, it looks like?
Yeah, so the drone comes with a 3-axis gimbal, so you have stability in all the different axes. It supports GoPro, and it supports gyro-optic 360 cameras, and then we plan to support other type of cameras moving forward.
And then you have to activate the GoPro before you launch, I presume, because your app, does that tie into the GoPro as well?
No, so the app doesn't interact with GoPro, so you need to start recording before you launch, of course.
Very cool. And then, because this is autonomous, can you do any type of RC control, direct control mid-flight with it? Or is it all just based on your presets?
It's all based on the preset, but those presets can be changed at any time. So during your flight, you can pause the drone, you can change the presets. So for example, you can really start, having the drone on your right side, following you, then turning around you, and then moving to a over high position. So you can really play as you are in your own director of your own movie. So you just do your camera movement, and then you edit your videos and get a great Hollywood movie style.
Right, and because those variables and those presets are all application-based, you can update that in the future as well. Is that coming? Are you adding more features and more functionality to that?
Yeah, so right now we're working on more functionality, which is what we call a magic wand. So you can take the smartphone to say to the drone, okay, go to this location and this location. Second functionality, which is 2 smartphones connected to the same drone, so you can share your drone with your friends, act as a director for someone else, or for the drone to be able to shoot your friends and yourself during the actions, and then adding some new camera movements. So we're working on cable cam movements and new stuff, which are purely software, so you get them as a software upgrade.
And the Hexo itself is already on sale and available. How much is it?
So Hexo today is $13.49 online on our website, hexoplus.com, and it's available. So we are shipping. If you order it now, you will get it in 2 weeks from now.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Thanks.
It's very nice to meet you.